different religion, culture, custom, and etc. We also must understand about it. If we can't go to another country, we can't learn more about English. Also, my major is Global English Japanese University. I'm really interested in foreign cultures. I do research about cross-cultural studies. Through my major, this made me realize that English is very important. That's why I decided to come here and study English. Nowadays, there are many foreign affiliated companies. These companies need people with high English levels. They are very particular with pronunciation. So we should go to foreign countries and we should try to speak English with native speakers. Because we don't have basic English background. Therefore, I think studying English abroad is better than studying in our own country. Actually, I also learned about many things in my study abroad. I learned good relationship with my friends, studying English and encountering friends and teachers are once in a lifetime opportunity. Nevertheless, I will treasure all my precious memories here in CIA. And if some of you here are planning to go foreign countries to learn English, is the best decision that you will make, gaining a lot of friends and creating good memories. This is my story. What's yours? I hope many people will enjoy studying English from now on. Today is my last day. I'm really grateful. I'm really overwhelmed to meet and know my new friends and teachers. Thank you for coming here and to listening to my speech. I will never forget all of you. Thank you.